Video 3 or Pillar 3, Ducere Global Business School. My very good long-time friend Matt Jacobson owns that company. I've known him for 25 years. I've worked with him on and off over the years. Why do I offer something from outside the Navigate owned IP? Because I so believe in it. In fact, at the time of this recording, I'm in the process of completing my MBA. What relevance does it have to entrepreneurs and budding leaders? What doesn't it have? So let me go through a few key elements. MBAs, we know, history would suggest that it can take you several years to undertake, and probably pretty much like a small mortgage. Anything, the worst I've heard is anything up to $300,000. Those things don't apply to the Ducere Global Business School. Ducere has employed entrepreneurs to write their MBA programs to Australian standards. They have also spent the last 17 years interviewing world leaders like our past presidents, Julie Gillard, etc., Goldie Hawn, Desmond Tutu, the head of the CIA. Who doesn't want to hear from the head of the CIA about negotiation skills? I reckon he's got something great to share. That's the type of content that you've got woven through the MBAs. These MBAs are all entrepreneurial leadership strategy focused. They are available from Wales, London, France, Rome, America, and Australia. You can make your choice as to which university you undertake your MBA through, but it will be delivered by Ducere. It will be on their world-class online platform. It will be delivered by Ducere professors. But you will receive a certificate, an MBA from East London University or Rome Business School or Kennedy University, because it's in partnership with them. What else makes them very, very different? Cost. Let's talk the elephant in the room. My goodness, I've heard some horrific prices of MBAs. These MBAs range from $10,000 to $35,000. That's it. No other costs. All the textbooks, everything's included in the online platform. The other great element of these MBAs is there's no exams. I'll say it again. There are no exams. You get to work, depending on the university you're with, you get to work on either a live project with an existing global company that needs something resolved today, not case study from FedEx 10 years ago, or what I love is you get to work on your business. So as I'm finishing my MBA, I've done assignments and projects on my business, Navigate Biz. It's helped me redefine my marketing strategy. It's helped me to rebrand my business. It's helped me to create data gathering tools, all sorts of things. So an MBA that is cost effective, time effective, because in Europe it's only 6 subjects, not 12. It's relevant to your business. You get to work on your business and you get to hear from global leaders. A bit of a no-brainer, right? But the main reason I want you to undertake and to consider this as an entrepreneur is it's been written by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs. It will give you it will solidify the foundations we've been creating through her transformation Elevate. It will solidify those foundations so you are ready to grow and scale your business to the level that you aspire to. That's why I do that. I will also provide my ongoing coaching whilst you are studying at no extra cost, because I so believe in these MBA programs, and you get to choose which one is relevant to you, and you get to choose whether it's full-time or part-time, and you get to choose the ones that enable you to work on your business. That's gold. It's beautiful. You have an awesome day. I can't wait to see you in the Navigate community, because I know this is going to help you grow and scale your business. Suit you, suit your clients, suit your staff. This is for everyone. You have an awesome day. Take care.